Hi, everybody. Today's Monday, April 20th, and we are getting ready for our vocabulary lesson. So, today you will review this week's vocabulary words and complete 2 assignments, a vocabulary worksheet and a vocabulary game, both found on Wonders under the To Do section. Our first vocabulary word today is approximately. Approximately. If two things are approximately the same, they are nearly or about the same. The recipe called for approximately 2 cups of oil, so I did not measure it exactly. This picture demonstrates the word approximately. In this picture, there is approximately 1 pint of liquid in the cup. Now, what would be an antonym of the word approximately? Remember, antonym is a word meaning something opposite. I would say probably exact. If it's approximately, it could be a little bit less or a little bit more, but if you want it to be exact, it better be right there. This is astronomical. Astronomical. Something astronomical relates to outer space or astronomy. The space exhibit included amazing astronomical instruments to study the stars. Besides stars, what are astronomical instruments used to study? They can be used to see galaxies and planets. A telescope is an astronomical instrument that helps view the stars. Calculation. Calculation. When you make a calculation, you do math to find the answer. Mina did a quick calculation to figure out if she had enough money for 6 movie tickets. What kinds of skills help with a calculation? The skill she's using is the knowledge of a calculator. But sometimes we have to do that mental math, and y'all are learning how to do that mental math for years now. That teaches you how to do these calculations in your head by breaking the number apart, by doing all sorts of things. Now let's look at the picture. The picture demonstrates the word calculation. This girl, she's doing a calculation. She's using math to figure out her problem. Criteria. Criteria. Criteria are rules for judging something or making a decision. An example would be blood pressure is one of the criteria doctors use for evaluating health. What other criteria help doctors to check your health? They ask you questions. They want to know if you're active in your lifestyle. Are you playing outside a lot? Are you running? Are you exercising? Are you eating healthy? For some people, they might check your blood to make sure you're really healthy. This doctor is checking the boy's blood pressure with this blood pressure cuff because it is one of the criteria to make sure you're healthy is that your blood pressure is at a good level. Diameter. Diameter. To define diameter, or the definition of diameter, is that you can measure across the center of a circle to find the diameter. So you're going to measure from one side of this pizza all the way to this other side, and that diameter would be 14 inches. So the pizza's diameter would be 14 inches. Now you would do the same thing. If I asked you to find the diameter of this plate, you would measure across the side, or a pan, or anything that's circular. Evaluate. Evaluate. When you evaluate something, you examine it closely to decide its value. An example is reading food labels can help you evaluate the nutritional value. What questions might help you evaluate a restaurant? I would think questions about their food quality, or maybe their ingredients. And then for me, maybe cleanliness of the kitchen, or how nice the people are that work there. In this picture, this label is going to help decide whether this is a good product to buy. It's going to give you all the nutritional information that you need. It will show you the value of what is in this container. Orbit. Orbit. An object that orbits something circles around it again and again. For example, it takes a year for Earth to orbit the sun, and a month for the moon to orbit the Earth. What objects in space orbit the sun? Well, we know that all the planets orbit the sun, right? Now, let's look at these orbit lines. So the moon is going around the Earth. And all the while the moon is going around the Earth is going around the sun. Spheres. Spheres. A sphere is anything shaped like a ball or a globe. An example is basketballs, soccer balls, and baseballs. Those are all spheres, but footballs, they are not. What other objects are spheres? First thing that pops into my head is a globe, the one we have in class that has all the different countries on it, and it's a spherical shape and you can look at it. But maybe you're thinking of a toy like bouncy balls, or maybe even a type of food or something. These balls are spheres. They are all round except for the football. The football is not a sphere. Now I have something special to show you. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, cat, why in the world is there a slide that says the word cat? Well, this is where I gotcha. Y'all now have secret assignments that you will find in videos every week. This secret assignment is going to be a secret word that you have to let us know you saw. The way you'll let us know is on Teams, there will be an assignment called the secret assignment. You'll go in and you'll type this word in this week, cat, and we'll know you're watching the videos, and we'll know that you are doing everything you can to be the best scholar that you can be. I'm so excited for this. So this week, the word is cat. So you can just go in and type in cat, C-A-T, and you will get us excited, I guess. I mean, we'll know that you're watching these videos. Okay, so now, cat is the secret assignment. I'll say it one more time, just for everybody in the back of the room. Cat. That is a secret assignment. You'll get on Teams. You'll type in the word cat, and that is what you need to do. But wait, finish the video first. Get your assignments. Okay. So today's assignments are both due today. They're found on the Wonders website under To Do. It's a vocabulary worksheet and a vocabulary game. This is what the of what Wonders looks like. That's the To Do button, just in case you forgot. Both assignments are due today. Okay, so get it done. Don't forget to do the secret word on Teams. Okay, bye guys. Y'all have a good day.